Hi there, my name is Brett Andreessen and I'd like to welcome you to UniLodge on Margaret, 104 to 108 Margaret Street, Brisbane City. The building is primarily targeted towards student accommodation. However, there are no restrictions on who can live in the apartments. So whether you're an investor, a first home buyer, or someone who's looking for a Brisbane base and wants to move in, there are no restrictions on what you can or can't do. There are 3 different floor plans in the building. The A plan, which is 18 square metres, the B plan, which is 19 square metres, and the C plan, which is 22 square metres in total. All of the apartments come fully furnished for your convenience. However, if you want to change the furniture, you are more than welcome to. There are 26 levels in the building. Levels 5 to 21 are normal apartments. Levels 22 and above come with balconies, and apartments from level 23 above also have air conditioning and exclusive access to the rooftop, in which you've got sweeping views of the Brisbane River, Botanic Gardens, and down towards South Bank, perfect for river fire or New Year's. On each level there are 15 apartments. There are 7 A plans, 4 B plans, and 4 C plans for every levels from levels 5 to 25. Level 26 is different, as level 26 apartments have their own exclusive car parks. However, these are extremely rare and rarely come onto the market. Your nightlife is covered with restaurants, bars, nightclubs, all just a stone's throw away from you. So if you're looking for an inner city investment without a huge outlay, the UniLodge on Margaret apartments will be perfect for you. If you'd like further information or to view the apartments, please give me a call. We'd be happy to show you through.